What is up, everybody? I'm popping in with an extremely fast Bitcoin update for you. I want to let you guys know the possibilities. You know, we're looking to break out of this structure that we're in. Could mean we're going to new all-time highs, and I'm ready for that. I also want to show you the scenario that I'm playing. Things are evolving, and what I'm looking for and why. We're also going to look at ETH real quick. So stick around. I mean, the quickest video you've ever seen. Let's get into it. Overall, and this is Elliott wave theory, guys, we're looking for a WXY at this point. I want to see a WXY correction finish. I'll tell you why as we zoom out. I have a 1, 2, 3, looking for 4 into 5. I'm looking for our 3 wave to retrace to around the 382, which we are pretty much at. Now, why don't I think this is finished yet? Because it very well could be. But as this progresses and as this evolves, from the all-time high, I have some sort of a corrective structure, 3 waves down. I have, which I'm calling a WXY at this point, up, and I'm looking for another correction down. I have 1. We have a correction up. I'm looking for 1 more down to match this leg. And if you pull fibs, here, let me just get rid of all this junk. If you pull the fibs, you get a target around 55K. 55K would complete a WXY. Doesn't need to go that low. Could stop right here at around 57K. But that's kind of what I'm looking at. And as we zoom out, from there, you can have your impulse to finish out around 76K. And that'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, this might be done right here. If this is done, okay, well, let's impulse up out of here. We got our 1, 2 put in. Looking for 3, 4, 5. Now, real quick, we're going to come back here and go smaller time frames and look close up. But we're just going to pop over to ETH real quick. Now, Ethereum, for some reason, Ethereum, just the way these indicators are looking, and the way, just the way this is, with divergence that was put in, I've seen these waves time and time again just start hitting to the downside. Looks like we have a tight wave coming up for a shoot up, which would do something like that, but normally, if I didn't see any of this stuff, I would say, yeah, we're going to start ripping. But this means something to me. We're on the 4 hour here. It really means something to me. And I've seen it so many times where we just start impulsing to the downside. Doesn't have to happen. As we zoom out, same kind of humped structure where I've seen time and time again, it rolls over. So if we're on the 12 hour right now, I got to see ETH start to just get out of this structure, and then it would be very, very impulsive for ETH. We're gonna go back to Bitcoin here. Let's zoom in. And as I was saying, I'm looking for this to be an A, come up for B, right around here, right around 65K, 65.5, and then come down for C to complete our wave. That's going to be my finishing wave here at this point of my WXY. WXY, and in the middle I have, it's just a bunch of corrections, guys. WXY, right? So zooming in on this, the next trade, in my opinion, is going to be a short right up in this little area right here. Let's pull our retrace fibs. And I'm calling this a flat right here. Correction up, correction down, impulse up. Maybe around the 618. Could get extended to the 786. If we pull an extension, yeah, it would be perfect right around 65K, 65.1. And I'm sorry, this chart is just absolutely sketched up right now, but 65K is what I'm looking at. It aligns with the heat map charts as well. That would get Ethereum. Let's see what we're looking at in Ethereum. Ethereum's impulsing nicely. I would say something like that right there. Yeah, to around a little bit higher, around 32.69, 32.70. Don't want to go in any higher. If this top gets taken out, might be off to the races here. I just wanted to give you guys updates, warn you guys what's going on. Hop in the Discord. We called these shorts on the way down. Short was perfect. I wish I flipped long. I did not flip long though. I should have. I closed out my short in its entirety. Looking to flip short again. If you're long right now, I'd stick with it, honestly. Long looks good, just not what I'm playing. Alright. Use MEXC, linked in the description below. Free Discord, linked in the description below. MEXC is what I use to trade on. No KYC, no VPN. They got infinite coins to trade. And you get 10% off the fees if you use the link in the description below. You also get up to $1,000 deposit bonus. I appreciate you guys watching this short but sweet video. I'll see you in the next one. Love you.